You are not playing with your friends, but you are playing with your dad.
Yes.
Ah, that's good thing. Okay, and after playing badminton, what did you do?
Af- After morning, after I play badminton, I have for lunch.
Oh, that's great to hear. What did you have for lunch?
I have rice in soup.
Rice and soup. Every day you have soup, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's healthy. Okay, so what did you have for dinner?
I have fish, egg, rice in soup.
Okay, you have fish, rice, and soap. Ah, that's healthy. Did you have some fruits today?
Yes.
Ah, that's cool. You're having fruit. What fruit is that?
Is banana.
Banana. How many banana have you eaten, Cherry?
I eat one banana in the watermelon.
Ah, banana and watermelon. That's great. Okay, so let me see. Let's have our class. Let's continue our lesson, okay?
Yes.
Let me check where did we stop. Okay. Mm-hmm. Page 10. Okay. To be review. Okay. Let's have this one. Oh, I did not list in here. I forgot. Okay, so we have this one, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So we have this one. It's a bricks reading. So last time, we learned about Ben, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's read again and then let's go to answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Okay, my brother. Okay, please read. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, let's read.
My brother Ben is 10 months old. Boy, he can work, he can talk, but he can do many things. Do you know what Ben I can do? Ben can go working with us. He can ride a stroller. He watches many things with his eyes open. He's, he takes a nap with his eyes closed. Ben can express his feelings. He cries when he is hungry or unhappy. He laughs when he full or happy. He frowns when he goes number 2. Ben can fly the air. He plays with that. That lifts him up. Ben controls that. That is a plane. Ben is a pilot.
Okay, I see. All right. So now let's move on here. Okay, so this one you have to continue reading.
Ben can make a mirror. He draws pictures on the walls. He uses crayon and lipstick. Nobody knows what the picture meant. He is an artist. Ben can make a song. He plays the piano. He makes song. He makes song. He does not look at the notes. He is a pianist
Okay.
and a composer. Ben can keep my secret. He just listens to them. He never tells them to any, anyone. When
Anyone.
anyone. When I broke the window, Ben did not tell Mom. He is an honest baby, and he can be my best friend. Ben is only 10 months old, but he can do many things.
Okay. All right. So now let's learn here about Ben. Okay. So here, let's review because last time we finished this one, but let's review, okay? So that you can learn more. Okay, what Ben can do. Okay, so here in this picture, Ben is just riding. Okay, Ben is 10 months old and here he cannot walk. He
He
cannot
can talk.
talk. But yes, he can talk and he can't walk. Ben go walking with us, but he can't walk, so that's why he can ride in a stroller. Okay, this is a stroller, so he is just riding. But Ben he watches many things, so he watches many things, but he takes a nap with his eyes closed. Okay, he will close his eyes when he took a nap. Okay.
Yes,
Now let's move on here. Oh, look at here. In this picture, Ben is, what happened to Ben?
Ben is crying.
Ben is crying. Okay. Ben cries when
Ben
he
cry.
is, okay.
Ben cry when he is hungry or unhappy.
Yes, when he's hungry or unhappy. And he frowns when he goes number 2. Okay. Now let's have here. Oh, but Dad play with Ben. So Dad play with Ben. Dad lifts Ben. Okay, lifts him up like that. Okay, he will lift Ben up. And Ben controls Dad. Okay? And they will do an airplane. So Ben is flying because Dad hold Ben and fly. So Ben controls Dad. Dad is a plane. And Ben is a pilot. Like that. Okay. Now let's look at here. Okay, so this one. Okay, so here, look at this picture, Cherry. Ben can make a mural. So mural is a drawing. Okay? So Ben can make a mural. He draws picture. Okay, here, he draws pictures on the walls. He uses crayons. Okay, look at this. This is crayons. But he also use lipstick. Okay, the red one is a lipstick. This one, like this, lipstick of his mom, I think. Okay. And nobody know what is Ben's drawing. We cannot understand what Ben's drawing. Okay, what does the picture mean? He is an artist. He is an artist because he can draw. Okay, look at here. This one. Look at this picture, Cherry. Ben can make a song. So he plays the piano. Okay, look at here. So Ben is a pianist because he plays piano and a composer. Okay, a composer it because he makes songs or music. Okay, songs or music. Okay. How about you, Cherry? Do you listen to music?
Yes,
Do you? Oh, I see. You listen to music. Where do you listen to music? Is it on radio or on your cell phone or computer?
I listening music to to my dad is playing the guitar.
Okay, when dad is playing a guitar. Oh, very good. Do you also sing when dad plays guitar?
Yes,
Wow, that's great. Okay, next. Ben keeps secrets. Okay, secrets is shh. No one will know because it's a secret. For example, oh, I have a secret. I can cook very good. So that is a secret. So he listens to them. He never tells anyone. Okay? When I broke the window, okay? When Big Brother. Okay, this is the Big Brother of Ben. When Big Brother broke a window, Ben did not tell to mom because Ben cannot speak. He is honest. Okay? Honest is Ben did not tell lie. Okay? Honest is a person not tells lie. Okay? Are you honest, Cherry?
Yes.
Okay. Because if you are not honest, it's not good. It's bad. Okay. So, and he can be my best friend. Ben is only 10 months old, but he can do many things. Okay, so we have here, okay, look at this one, Cherry. Okay, let's read these words. Okay, so here, okay, what is this?
Nap.
Nap. Okay, nap when you are closing your eyes or sleep for a short time. That is nap. Next,
Express.
express. Okay, express. So when you are telling something what you are thinking. Okay, next.
Feelings.
Feelings. Okay, that is emotion or feelings. Okay, next.
Frowns.
Frowns. Okay, next.
Lips.
Lips, like racing or getting high. Or this one.
Up.
Up. Okay. This one.
Mirror.
Mural.
Mirror.
Okay. Yes, mural is a drawing. Okay. Next, this one.
Composter.
Yes, composer is you can make songs. That is composer. Next,
Secrets.
secret is shh. No one will know. It's a secret. Okay, next.
Honest.
Honest. Okay, honest.
Honest.
That is, yes, honest. Okay, let's move on here. Okay, let's say this one again. Let's answer again. Okay, number
Yes.
one is a nap. Okay, what is that?
Nap.
Yes,
Nap is a short sleep.
very good. Short sleep. How about express?
Express. Um. Express is a
It's okay if you forgot that you have to skip. Then you move on to number three. It's okay. So later on, you answer that one.
number 3. Feeling.
Feeling. What is that? Or we have to answer, we have to read this one first. Okay, this one is a fact that is told to anyone else. Wow. Oh, let me see if it's correct. Okay. So this one, a fact that is told, not told. So shh, not told to anyone else. What is this?
Is
It's okay. All right, it's okay. Next, okay. This one, a picture painted on a wall.
is mirror.
Mural. Next, someone who makes music.
Is l-
Okay.
liver.
Who makes song or music? La 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 la. Who makes song? Someone who makes song. What
Is
is that?
composter.
Composer. Exactly. Next.
Next.
Oh, this one. It is an emotion, a feeling. Oh, I mentioned it is emotion such as love, I love, and anger. What is that?
Is
What is that? Okay.
I don't
Yes.
remember.
It's okay, Cherry. No problem. Okay, so next, not lying or cheating in one's friendship. Oh, you are good because you are not a liar. You are not lying.
Is
What is that? Mhm. Not lying. Honest, very good. This one, to bring upward,
to
upward and raised. Like Ben becomes a pilot because he plays with dad, and dad raised Ben. It's okay. Oh, all right. It's okay. Mm-hmm.
number 9.
To winkle the face to show you are not happy. What is that? Yes, let's check, okay?
Yes.
All right, we will check. Okay, so this one, just a moment. Okay, so here, let's check. Okay, so this one, anak is a short sleeve. Very good. Okay, oh, let me change my color so that we are not having the same color. Okay, so it's anak. So short sleeve. So this is number 1. Next, express. Okay, express. This is okay. So express. This is emotion. Okay, this is not emotion. This is up. Okay, this is number 2. Okay, express. To say. Okay, please read, Cherry. To say.
To say or show what a person thinks.
Okay. Next, let's have number 3. Okay, number 3 is okay, this
Feeling.
one. Feeling. Okay, so a feeling is okay. Oh, this one is a feeling, love and anger. So feeling is an emotion. Okay, so
Yes.
this is number 3. Okay, it's okay. All right, next. Yes, do not erase your answer because I will give you the notes. Okay, so number 4,
Frown.
frown. Okay, yes, frown is to winkle face. Very good, to show unhappiness. Next, lift up. Okay, lift up. So this is, oh, lift up is to bring upward. Okay, that is number 5. Okay, yes. Just do not erase your answer. Okay, next, this one, number
Mirror.
mural is a drawing or pictures on the wall or on a wall. Very good. Now, number 7, it is a composer. Composer, someone who makes music. Very good. Number 8 is secret. Oh, oh, secret is this one. This is number 8. Okay, please read.
A face that is
A
not
fact. Okay,
a
a
fact
fact.
that is not told to anyone else.
Okay, very good. A fact that is not told to anyone else. Okay, next. Honest, not lying or cheating. Okay, so now do not erase your answer because I will take a screenshot. Okay, so yes, just a moment. I will send your answers here, okay? So that you
Yes.
can, yes, don't worry because I will send it to you. I will send it later on. Okay, so let's move on here. Okay, do not worry. Let's move on here, Cherry. Okay, look at this one. Okay, let's read.
He is a composer. He wrote great songs.
Okay, he is a composer. He wrote great songs. Very good. Songs or music, a composer. Next, Cherry, number 2.
Our class is making a mirror on walls.
Okay, on wall,
It will be a great picture.
it will be a great picture. Okay, very good. Next, number 3.
Shh, don't say it to anyone. Please keep my secret.
Don't say it to anyone. Please keep my secret. Yes, don't say it to anyone. Okay. Next, number 4.
Are you okay? I want to know your feeling.
Are you okay? I want to know your feeling. Very good. Okay, number 5.
Number 5. He never tell a lie. He is an honest.
He is an honest. Okay, he is an honest man. Yes, he never tells a lie. He is an honest man. Okay, very good. So I will take screenshots again. Okay, let's move on here. Wow, you're doing great job, Cherry. Okay, I will also download this. Okay. Okay,
Yes.
just a moment. I will send your. Okay, this one. Now let's go back. Okay. Then, okay, please read.
Ben plays with dad too.
True. Next, number 2.
Ben froze when he happy.
When he is happy. Are you okay? Ben froze. Oh, when he is unhappy. He froze when he is unhappy. Very good. It's false. Okay. All right. I'm sorry. Yes, you are checked. Okay, Cherry, let's have B. Okay, you have to answer B.
Who is telling the story?
It's telling the story.
Is Ben brother.
Ben's brother. Very good. Next.
When is what is the story mainly about?
What
Is
is the story mainly about? What
Ben.
is the story about? It's about Ben. Very good. Next.
What can Ben not do?
What can Ben not do?
Ben can talk.
Ben can talk. Very good. Number 4.
What is true about the story?
What is true about the story?
Ben is a baby.
Ben is a baby. Very good. Okay, I will screenshot again because you're doing great job. Okay, so here, because I will send it to Ken's mom so that she will give it to you. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, don't worry. Okay, how old is Ben?
Ben is 10 months old.
Yes. What does Ben use when he makes a mural?
Ben
Uses.
Ben uses when he make a mural
Okay, Ben uses crayon and
crayon and
lipstick.
lipstick.
Yes, crayons and lipstick when he make a mural. Okay. I see. All right, let's have the next one. Okay, let's do this. We have to put the main idea here. Okay, main idea and supporting details. So, a story is about a main idea and supporting details. Tell many things about main idea. Okay, here, Ben can do many things, right?
Yes,
Oh, what does Ben can do?
Ben
He,
can play music.
okay, play music. Okay, let's write here. We will type or teacher will type, okay?
Yes,
Okay,
Ben,
Ben can.
Ben can play music.
Okay, so here. Ben, okay, I will type your answer. Ben can play music. What else, Cherry?
Ben can draw picture.
Ben can draw
Draw,
picture. Can draw. Oh, draw pictures. Next, what else?
Ben can keep my secrets.
Okay. Oh, Ben can keep secrets.
Ben can keep secrets.
Secret.
Um, Ben can
Ben can. What else?
Ben can play with Dad.
Ben can play with that. Very good. Yes, it could be. Ben can play with that. What else, Cherry?
I don't remember.
Let me see. Let's think. Oh, I think I should remember something. Ah, Ben can. What's that? When he makes song, what is that?
Ben is lipstick.
Ah, yes. Ben is using lipstick when he draws. But what is that? When he play
When he play music.
music or Ben can play piano. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, Ben can play piano. Very good, Cherry. Nice one. Okay, so I'll check your answer. Wow, that's good. So please read. Okay, let's read the main idea.
Ben idea. Ben can do many things.
Number
First,
one.
Ben can play music.
Next.
Next, Ben can draw pictures. Then, Ben can keep secrets. After that, Ben can play with Dad. Finally, Ben can play the piano.
Wow, very good. Okay, now let's have this one. Okay, so I'm gonna take, oh, it's not this one. Just a moment. Okay, let's open it again. Okay, so here, very good. You're doing great job, Cherry. Let's move on here. Yes, I make it back. Okay, so here, nice one. Okay, so let's move on here. So you're doing great job. Oh, okay, so here. I'm gonna take a screenshot and so far we are running out of time, but I will send this to you, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you're doing great job. You are very smart. Okay. So, thank you so much, Cherry.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
See you, I think, on Friday, okay? Oh, Saturday. Oh, I think we have class on Friday. Do we have class on Friday? Oh, Saturday, okay?
Yes.
Bye, Cherry.
Goodbye, teacher.